Hey there, it's Samir with Briggs Freeman Sotheby's. Welcome to another episode of Real Tours. We're out here in Buckner Terrace. Want to show you this beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house. But when we were first walking through this house, I just knew that this door was going to be a huge talking moment. Like, if you're a true fan of the show Friends, you obviously know what Joey did to Chandler's door, and this is definitely reminiscent of that. As we walk into the home, you'll notice this contemporary 60s home has been fully renovated. We've got oak hardwood floors throughout, and it's kept the culture of the 60s vibe, but at the same time, they've done a very amazing job on bringing it into this century with these modern updates. As we walk through into the kitchen, you'll notice that we've got these gorgeous quartz countertops, beautifully painted white cabinetry, and you'll notice we've got stainless steel appliances. We've got a little area for a dry bar, and then what's really cool is this breakfast bar that's completely passed through from the bottom, which is just great if you've got little kids serving them breakfast, or if you just want to have like a nice chat in the kitchen. Now, continuing moving through the kitchen area, we've got this mud room, just a fantastic use of space. We've got hooks, we've got a little cabinet for shoes, and then of course, you could easily make this into a coffee bar, put your cups and everything. You've just got tons of storage. And then neatly tucked away, you have your washer and dryer all the way back here. And behind this door, we have a 2 full car garage. Now, as we move back towards the living area, you will also see that this house has a huge formal dining with these beautiful light fixtures, and then we also have these huge bay windows that let in a ton of natural light. And now we're gonna go over to the other side of the house, show you the 3 bedrooms, but before we do, I know we just had to touch base on this gas fireplace, and the renovation team just did a great job on painting the brick white and just giving it a feel that just ties the home completely together. Now again, this home has 3 bedrooms, and as much of the living area is open and bright, so are the bedrooms, but one nice caveat is these bedrooms are neatly tucked away for ultimate privacy. And one more thing I want to point out is all 3 bedrooms are full-size bedrooms. It's not like 1/3 bedroom is like an office or a den or anything. These bedrooms are huge. As we walk into our first guest bedroom, you'll see that we've got a full-size desk here with a queen-size bed, and there's just ample amount of space here. Nothing feels cramped. Again, windows let in a ton of natural light. And then this bedroom is actually part of a Jack and Jill. So we're gonna go through the pass-through bathroom into our second guest bedroom. And as you'll see, the bathrooms are equally updated in the home. The countertops and the sinks, they match everything outside to just give you that whole feel of this modern contemporary house. The current owners, they have this baby room, or this room set up as a baby room, but you'll notice again, it's a great size. You've got crib, you can obviously put another queen size bed in here if you're not yet ready to have a baby, or if your kids are already fully grown. And then now we're gonna move into your last bedroom, which is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has tons of mini windows, letting in natural light, just makes the whole room cozy. And in here, we actually have a California king-size bed. And again, you can see that I'm all the way at the entryway, and we've got all this space here. And now behind this door here, we have a master bathroom suite, which in my opinion is honestly one of the nicest ones that I've seen in any updated home in Buckner Terrace. And we've got this gorgeous stand-up glass shower that you can just see how big it is. You can literally fit almost 3 of me here. Now last but not least, we want to take you to your backyard oasis, which is just perfect. They've got a new privacy fence, so let's go check that out. Now the cherry on top of this amazingly renovated home is this massive, massive backyard. We've got tons of entertaining space here, perfect for barbecues, perfect for family get-togethers, especially with the holidays coming up on here. It's big enough you could throw a football. Obviously they've got some lawn furniture here. And then what's really, really cool is if we walk this way, you're gonna see these 2 trees here that are perfectly situated for a hammock. So obviously when it starts getting a little bit cooler, hopefully in the coming weeks, Texas is weird, but when it does, you would easily get in the hammock, maybe read a nice book at the end of a long day, and just have a perfectly relaxed time in this backyard oasis. Obviously the fence is brand new as well with the renovation. Thanks again for joining us at 8329 Baumgarten Drive here in Dallas. We're ideally located 10 minutes away from White Rock Lake and 10 minutes away from downtown Dallas. We're currently on the market at $418,000. If you have any questions, we'll leave our contact information below, and we'll catch you on the next one.